ladies! Welcome back to Relationship Advices, the channel that helps you understand love, build confidence, and never settle for less than you deserve. Now let's talk about something we've all experienced at some point, that frustrating, confusing moment when a man you like, or even love, suddenly starts ignoring you. Maybe the texts slow down. Maybe the calls stop. Maybe he just seems emotionally unavailable out of nowhere. And your mind goes into overdrive. Did I do something wrong? Is he losing interest? Should I text him again? Before you fall into a spiral of overthinking or worse, chasing after him, stop. Because in this video, I'm going to break down why men pull away or go silent, what not to do when he ignores you, and most importantly, what to do instead that puts the power back in your hands. Let's jump right into it. 1. Don't chase. Get curious, not clingy. The first instinct when a man starts ignoring you is panic. You might feel the urge to reach out again, double text, ask if everything's okay, or try to fix it immediately. But here's the thing, chasing him when he pulls away only pushes him further. Why? Because men, especially emotionally avoidant ones, often retreat when they feel pressured or confused about their own feelings. When you respond by over-contacting him, it sends a message that you're emotionally dependent on his attention. This disrupts the natural balance and lowers your perceived value. So instead of asking, "Why aren't you replying?" sending passive-aggressive messages, posting stories just to get his attention, do this, pause, take a breath, let the silence be. Here's the golden rule. Don't make any decisions when you're in emotional panic mode. Ask yourself, has this happened before? Is he pulling away, or is he just busy? Am I reacting from insecurity or truth? Emotionally secure women don't chase, they observe. Give him space. Let him wonder where you went. That's silence. It speaks louder than any text you could send. 2. Shift the focus back to you. While he's ignoring you, your mind will be tempted to zoom in on him. What's he doing? Is he with someone else? Is he losing interest? Stop. Breathe. And now zoom in on you. Here's a powerful truth. The most attractive thing a woman can do when a man goes quiet is to focus on her own life. Instead of chasing his attention, channel that energy inward. Start by asking, when was the last time I poured into my own passions? How can I elevate myself? Mentally, physically, emotionally? What goals can I pursue this week? Go to the gym. Book that girl's night. Take a solo trip. Create something. Learn something. You see, men are drawn to women who don't orbit around them. When he sees that you're still thriving, glowing, even, without his validation, that's when he starts to panic. That's when the tables turn. And more importantly, you grow stronger with or without him. 3. Understand the reasons men go silent. Now, let's bring some logic into the mix. Why do men go silent or ignore women in the first place? Here are the most common reasons. 1. He's emotionally overwhelmed. Some men struggle to process deep feelings and distance themselves to avoid vulnerability. 2. He's testing boundaries. Especially in early stages, a man might pull back to see if you'll chase him, if you'll make it too easy. 3. He's losing interest. It's hard to hear, but sometimes a man pulls back because the emotional connection isn't as strong as it once was. 4. He's distracted or busy. Sometimes it has nothing to do with you. He's dealing with stress, work, family, or personal issues. Here's the key. You don't need to chase him to find out which one it is. His actions, or inaction, will reveal everything in time. The right man will communicate, not confuse. And if a man consistently disappears without explanation, you don't need a reason. You need standards. 4. Don't try to win him back. Let him earn you. One of the biggest mistakes women make when a man pulls away is thinking, how can I make him want me again? This leads to changing who you are, trying to be more cool or low maintenance, playing games or pretending you're okay when you're not. Let's be clear, you are not a prize to be won back. You're the prize he should be earning. Instead of trying to look sexier online, sending him flirty memes, pretending you're unaffected, try this. Upgrade your life in silence. The energy shift will be undeniable. Men can sense when a woman is no longer obsessing over them. And when they feel that shift, the power dynamic resets. If he reaches out again, don't respond right away. Take your time. Ask yourself, has anything changed? Is he bringing clarity or confusion? Is he respecting your value, or just checking if you're still available? Let him earn a seat at your table again. Don't invite someone back into your life who only noticed your worth once you stopped handing it over freely. 5. Use the silence as a mirror, then decide if he's worth it. Sometimes, silence is your biggest blessing. Because when a man ignores you, it's not just about his behavior, it's a mirror showing you how you handle being ignored, what wounds still need healing, whether you truly love yourself or just crave his love more. Ask yourself, why did his silence hurt me so deeply? Am I seeking validation or a healthy connection? Do I want him, or do I just want to feel chosen? When you use this time for deep reflection, you gain power. Emotional maturity is about knowing your value and not begging someone else to see it. Here's the truth. If a man truly cares, he won't leave you wondering. He'll communicate. He'll show consistency. He won't make you question your worth. And if he doesn't, that's your answer, not your cue to try harder. Your peace is more important than any unanswered text. Don't sit in limbo, waiting for someone to wake up and see your value. Sometimes, his silence isn't rejection. It's redirection to something better. Let go of the noise, trust your power, and move forward with grace. Ladies, I know how hard it is when someone you care about starts pulling away. The silence can feel like rejection, like abandonment, like 1,000 unanswered questions. But here's what I want you to take with you today. You are not powerless. You are not invisible. And you do not need to panic. When a man ignores you, don't chase, don't shrink, and don't beg. Instead, get still, get strong, and let your silence speak volumes. Because the woman who knows her worth doesn't panic when someone forgets it. She simply remembers it for herself. If this video resonated with you, drop a comment below and tell me, what's one thing you're going to start doing for you this week? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because next week, we're diving into what confident women do when men pull away. You don't want to miss it. This is Relationship Advices, your safe space to grow stronger, love better, and never settle again. Subscribe for more real talk about love, dating, and emotional power.